everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today I thought I'd do a video about how to make your house smell festive, because that is my #1 thing at Christmas. It's not Christmas unless it smells like Christmas. At the moment we're so lucky that there's so many like candles and cleaning products and all sorts of things that we can use to make our house just smell wonderful. So I thought I'd share with you today a few of my favourites. I have abandoned my ring light today because my background that I spent hours, my background that I like stuck together in like 2 seconds, my candle was getting lost in like the ring of brightness. So if my face looks haggard, it's because this is what I really look like. If you're new here, hello, my name's Tabby, I am doing Vlogmas. I make videos on motherhood and fashion and come shopping with me and hauls and cleaning and all sorts of things. So if that sounds like your cup of tea, then please do hit that subscribe button. I'd really appreciate it and I'd really love to have you here. So, without further ado, let's get going. What would you like to start with? Should we start with cleaning products or Reed Diffusers, or what should we do? Let's do cleaning products because that's everybody's favourite thing right now, isn't it? So if you're heading to Dena anytime soon, do see if you can find these. These are limited edition Christmas fragrance antibacterial wipes. These are only £1 and they smell absolutely delightful. I get through rocks of antibacterial wipes because they're what I use on our work surfaces, just to like wipe them down after I finish cleaning, just to make sure like all the bugs are dead. So what's better than a Christmas fragrance of wipes? They smell like, this is a new pack, crack it open. They kind of smell like a cross between mulled wine and Dettol. I found this in Savers, and this is the limited edition 1001 Carpet Fresh in frosted winter berries. This is one of my Mrs. Hinch favourites anyway. I love making it snow all over the carpet, but this fragrance I think has got to be one of my favourites, and I'm so gutted that it's a limited edition because it is just beautiful. It smells absolutely fabulous. It's so like fruity, but like festively fruity, like dark fruity, if that makes sense. Hello to me trying to explain fragrances. This is gonna be bad. If you are a Mrs. Hinch fan, you will also be a fan of pine. This is the Febreze Air in frosted pine. Again, it's a beautiful winter fragrance. This is what I've described more as like a cooler, fresher fragrance. It doesn't remind me of kind of like the warm, cozy Christmas tree indoors. It makes me more think of crisp snow, the outside, fresh coldness. But it really is a lovely fragrance for your home. This is more a fragrance that I would kind of use in bathrooms and rooms that I wanted to smell fresh and airy, rather than rooms that I wanted to smell like really traditionally festive, if that makes sense. The alternative to that one is the rooms that you want to smell like cozy and festive, and for this I really love this Glade. This is the Glade spray in spiced apple and cinnamon. And I think it's lovely that they're bringing like fragrances out for us to use at Christmas. This one, yeah, this one is more your absolutely traditional kind of Christmas fragrance. It's absolutely beautiful, it's warming, it's like spices and apples and mulled wine and all that lovely stuff. This is absolutely beautiful, I love it. And you can get this in, I believe, B&M is where I picked this one up from. Another one I got in B&M was this Airwick Pure Winter Berries. This is like an odour neutralising air freshness spray. No wet spray, just fragrance, which can only be a good thing. They have a variety of these. I think there's 3 or 4 in the range of these, but this one is my absolute favourite. When I sprayed them all, because you know they have the testers, spray them all everywhere. This one was my absolute favourite. This one is like a berry burst. It is really, really fruity. It hasn't got the spiciness of the Glade one, but it is really fresh and really fruity and absolutely gorgeous. If you want an alternative for a spray that like isn't really kind of spicy and a bit more uplifting, then this one I would really recommend. It's absolutely beautiful. So it wouldn't be a festive cleaning video without the mention of everybody's favourite cleaning product of the moment, Zoflora. I have 4 here. These are the 4 festive fragrances that I have collected over the last like year or so. I have warm cinnamon and winter spice, which are, oh, they're all limited editions. They're all limited editions now. I feel special. I love the fragrances winter morning and cranberry and orange. One of the cranberry and orange I think is really like a traditional festive smell, and the winter morning, like the Febreze, is kind of like a fresh, like outdoor winter smell, shall we say. And then warm cinnamon and winter spice. I'm probably going to offend a load of people now, but they just smell like cough medicine. I don't like them very much at all. So these 2 I love, these 2 not so much. But you know, you can't go wrong with a bit of festive Zoflora to add to your cleaning collection. You might love some of these, you might hate some of these. I'd really love to know, like, of the festive Zofloras, which ones are your favourite? Please let me know in the comments. I'm interested to know the differences of opinion. It wouldn't be Christmas without your washing smelling like Christmas. This is the Comfort Creations Frosted Pine and Apple. I believe this is another Mrs. Hinch favourite, and this is another outdoor winter smell. If you go around your local like Home Bargains and Savers and B&M and stuff, and have a whiff of all of these, and you'll see what I mean about indoor cosy fragrances and outdoor fresh kind of fragrances. Yeah, this one is absolutely an outdoor fresh kind of fragrance. It's got a bit of a sharp edge to it, I think, but that's probably because it's kind of like concentrated and I've got a nose in it. But I'm pretty sure that once this is used like in the washing machine and stuff, that this will make your clothes smell absolutely amazing. I'm yet to try it, but I love the fragrance already. Then a bit of a random one is some hand soap that I picked up at the Avon book. This was super duper cheap. This is the Avon Senses limited edition Winter Magic. This smells absolutely lovely. It's quite like a fruity fragrance. It would go very well with the Airwick winter berries. They're kind of like really similar, like fruity fragrances. There's not a lot of spice in there. I just thought this is great if you want to put some festive hand soap in your loo for your guests at Christmas. You know, you can't let Christmas escape the loo, so you know, you never know. Or in the kitchen, or wherever you use soap. Onto Reed Diffusers. There's 2 this year that have really stood out to me, and I can say this because I literally, when I'm going shopping, I just sniff everything. I think that's what happened when you become like a mummy YouTuber and you like do cleaning videos and that. You just go around the shops smelling everything. So these 2 have really stood out to me as far as Reed Diffusers go. This one is the Winter Wonderland from Primark. This is a really gorgeous fresh winter fragrance. Absolutely love it, and they do 2 sizes of these. There's this big one which is I think £3, and then there's a little one that I think is £1.50. So the little one is great if you just want to try it out, see what it smells like, and I also think the packaging is just beautiful and it would make an absolutely wonderful present for somebody. So that's that one. And then this one is the one that really stands out to me. This is my absolute favourite Reed Diffuser of the year. This is what it looks like generally. This is what it looks like out of the packet. And as you can see, I've used this one, has been going for a while now. This one is the standout Reed Diffuser for me for the year. This is the Winter Spice from Avon, and you can tell how much I love it. I've actually bought backups of these, just in case they don't do it in future years. This is probably my recommendation. If you would spend your money on one fragrance this Christmas, make it this. Because this is like Christmas in a Reed Diffuser. It's the traditional mulled wine, spicy fragrance, and the box it comes in is just beautiful. This would make such a lovely stocking filler or gift for somebody. And I think in the Avon book there's a range of these, so they've got like candles and things as well that you could buy with it, but the Reed Diffuser was the standout product for me. So if you have the Avon book, I think they've got like that like scratch and sniff thing in, haven't they? Like rub it all over and have a sniff and see what you think. See if you agree with me, if you love this smell or whether you think it's horrible. But yeah, this is the one product that I would recommend everybody to buy because it is just beautiful. And I've had that Reed Diffuser in our dining room now for a while, and so many people that have come into this house have walked through the dining room and just said, oh my gosh, it smells like Christmas. What is that smell? Like what can I smell? And it is this. It's just beautiful. And then last but not least, I thought I'd include some candles. Generally I only have a candle burning in here because I'm a bit of like a paranoia freak about like fires and stuff. So smelly candles are kind of a bit of a waste because if it's stuck in there you can't smell it. But at Christmas I do make an exception, so I will have a candle or two going like in some safe places, safe no fire risk places. So my absolute favourite candle of the year is the Airwick Essential Oils Mulled Wine. This one stands out to me as kind of like the ultimate in Christmas candle fragrances. It's really spicy and it really does smell like mulled wine. You know when you've got mulled wine on the hob and you know it's steaming away and you can smell all the fruits and stuff. This is basically that smell. It's absolutely beautiful. It's not overly packaged, which I really like. And the glass jar is just decorated with little snowflakes. So it's really pretty to have on display in your house. It's really festive looking, so I absolutely love it. And it's really cheap as well. I don't know if you can get a bigger version of this. I think you can. I think I saw one in Savers, but I actually picked this one up from B&M. This one is one where I was like walking through a shop and like had a whiff and was like, what is that? I need it. This is a Wilko scented candle, and this is the Gingerbread Man. This was super duper cheap. I think this was like 99p or 89p. And this is the most gingerbread smelling candle that I have came across. And I've sniffed a lot of candles. But this one is absolutely gorgeous. It really does have that like fresh baked gingerbread smell. The glass, like the candle itself isn't very festive. It's not decorated at all. But honestly, the fragrance of this will not let you down. If you're going to Wilko, go and smell this. One that I come across in Dena when I went in, they had a whole range of festive candles as well. This one was the one that stood out, and this is the chocolate orange. I mean, is it even Christmas if you don't get a chocolate orange in your stocking? This one you can smell the chocolate and the orange in equal parts. It's absolutely gorgeous, and the fragrance is like really quite strong. And again in Dena they've got like big versions of this and Reed Diffusers of this and like all kinds of versions of this. But this candle I think was £1, really cheap but absolutely beautiful fragrance, and I cannot wait to burn this. I think this is going to smell absolutely divine. The most expensive of the bunch, but it has got a bit of, you know, stuff on the top, is this one that I got for a while ago from B&M. This is the Frosted Cranberry Fragrance Candle Jar that says Dreaming of a White Christmas on the front, and it's like a bit of stuff on the top. It's like a wooden lid. It's really gorgeous. It is a really festive candle, and I don't mind paying a bit extra to have it look this pretty. But again, it's one of those outdoor kind of really fresh, really nice fragrances. This one smells very clean, very nice, not spicy or anything at all. Beautiful kind of fresh smell, absolutely gorgeous. And to be honest, the fragrance is kind of summed up in the Dreaming of a White Christmas like slogan. Like that's what it smells like. So I really love that one as well. So those are my recommendations for how to make your house smell absolutely wonderful this Christmas. Let me know if you've got any of these and what you think of them, or if there's any that you've seen that you're going to try, or if you've got any recommendations for things that I haven't included in this that you just think, Tabby, you should go and sniff that because it really does smell amazing. And let me know as well, do you prefer like the ring light, like in your face light, or do you actually prefer to be able to see like my little background that I've got going on? Do let me know in the comments, and yeah, I'll look forward to seeing you tomorrow. I hope you're enjoying Vlogmas and I'll see you again soon. Bye!